Simple, fast, lightweight, and smart. That's the mobile way of life. Just imagine enjoying all that with a laptop. Let me show you a whole new mobile lifestyle. The Samsung Chromebook 4 and 4 Plus. It's super fast, more than ever. Streaming and downloading high-definition movies will be a breeze without buffering. Maybe I should connect to an external monitor and switch to a bigger screen. Just connect with the USB-C port. But honestly, the Chromebook's widescreen is already enough. Along with the larger screen, the bigger touchpad gives you better control, helping you get things done faster and easier. But that's not all. Stylish colors and a cool design blend well wherever you put it. And its tough build will last you a long time, making this a very smart investment. And you can enjoy all of this all day long, just by charging once a day right before bed. What's even more amazing is that it's light enough to carry around with one hand and slim enough to perfectly fit in my little bag. Perfect for your life. Go simple, work smarter. Samsung Chromebook 4 and 4 Plus.